All right, so in order to create a new YouTube channel on your phone, unfortunately, you can't use the applications because that feature is not available through YouTube Studio or the YouTube app. So you're going to use your browser, you're going to open it up to youtube.com, and then when you get into the browser, you want to click on the little icon just to the left of where it says youtube.com at the bottom. It's going to bring up the options. And then in the lower right-hand corner, we have 3 dots. You want to click on that. And then you want to click on the Request Desktop Website. And then we're going to click Done. Now, you want to make sure you're logged into a Google account. If you're not logged in, you can go ahead and create your account. But in the upper right-hand corner, if you click on your account icon, you'll see it here at the top of the screen. If for some reason you don't see that, you may have a sign-in option, in which case you want to sign in. And when you go to sign in, if you don't have a Google account, there will be an option to create an account. But after you've done that, at the very top here where it says view your channel, I already have an existing channel. If I didn't have a channel, there would be an option right there at the top to create a channel. But if you want to actually create an additional channel on the same account, we're going to go down at the bottom where it says settings. And you'll see here, although a little squished, it says right here below your channel, you have channel status and features, create a new channel, and view advanced settings. So we're going to click on create a new channel. This is used to publicly represent your channel on YouTube. Give us a little more room here. I'm going to call this brand new channel. As you're creating this, it's going to suggest a handle, which is going to be youtube.com/ and then this handle to get to your channel. And it's also verifying that handle is available. So once you've done that, you're going to click on create channel, and we have the brand new channel set up here. So that's how you create your new channel.